This video from the Famous Personalities series is about Max Planck. Max Planck was born on April 23, 1858, in Kiel, Germany. He grew up in a family that valued education and science. His father was a professor of law, and this influenced Planck's interest in academic pursuits. He showed exceptional talent in mathematics and physics from a young age. Planck attended the University of Munich, where he studied physics. He later transferred to the University of Berlin to continue his education. There, he learned from some of the most prominent scientists of his time. Planck earned his doctorate in 1879, focusing on thermodynamics. After completing his education, Planck began his academic career as an assistant at the University of Munich. He later became a professor at the University of Berlin in 1889. During this time, he conducted important research in the field of physics. His work began to gain recognition among his peers. Max Planck is best known for developing quantum theory in the early 20th century. He proposed that energy is emitted in discrete units called quanta. This idea challenged the classical view of physics, which treated energy as a continuous quantity. Planck's work laid the foundation for modern physics and changed how scientists understand energy. In 1900, Planck introduced a fundamental constant known as Planck's constant. This constant is crucial for calculations in quantum mechanics. It describes the relationship between energy and frequency in electromagnetic radiation. Planck's constant helped to explain phenomena that could not be understood using classical physics. Max Planck was awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1918 for his groundbreaking work on quantum theory. This recognition highlighted the importance of his contributions to science. Planck's theories opened new avenues for research in physics and other fields. The Nobel Prize solidified his reputation as a leading scientist of his time. In the later years of his life, Planck continued to research and teach. He faced many challenges, including the rise of the Nazi regime in Germany. Despite the difficult circumstances, he remained committed to science and education. Planck passed on his knowledge to many students who would become important scientists. Max Planck's legacy continues to influence modern physics and other scientific disciplines. His work on quantum theory paved the way for advancements in technology, such as computers and lasers. Many scientific principles used today are based on his theories. Planck is remembered as a key figure in the history of science. Max Planck died on October 4, 1947, in Göttingen, Germany. He lived a long life dedicated to science and education. His contributions have had a lasting impact on the field of physics. Planck's ideas remain relevant and continue to inspire new generations of scientists.